Hey everyone, it's Karen from Mayfly Life. Today I'm doing this frame. I've been so busy doing Christmas stuff that I didn't have the time to do the frame yet for my bathroom makeover sign that I hand painted. So I'll show you what I did, and it's pretty much easy peasy to do. Stay tuned. Today I'm finishing off. I've been so busy with doing Christmas that I'm going to be finishing off now today. Going to finish off my little bathroom sign here. So what I've got here is I've got two, I believe they're 1.5 inch wide pieces of lumber that are actually from a packing box that I got for when Scott and I bought our snowblower. So this is perfect for making a frame for my sign. So I'll be cutting this down to size. This is 8 inches by 10 going across, 8 inches up, and going across is 10 inches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to frame it, and I'm going to be cutting it up to the sizes that I need, and then putting them together with small finishing nails. Because basically it's going to be out of the way, so I'm going to just do it that way. And I'll sand them down because they're rough, which is what I like. I like the rustic look. So what I'm going to do is cut them to size. So I got to make two sizes, 8 inches long, just over 8 inches long, and then according to the size for the allowance for the thickness of this particular length. So so the top will be 10 inches plus whatever the thickness is, twice the amount. Twice the size of this. So it's just, I cannot read a tape measure to save my life. So I just eyeball it and take a look what exactly is on my tape measure. So let's get going on this. So I'm down in my basement, and I've got my husband's chop saw set up, and I'm just gonna cut the wood to length and check it out with the particular sign that I created. So we'll see how it works. Now what I'm doing is I just want to be on this side. I've got a mark right here, and I want to be just on this side. I don't want to take the mark off, because that's where actually I need to have it cut, is on the left side of the mark. So you can see I didn't take the mark completely off. I just got it right where I needed it, and now I'm just going to check the measurements and then cut the other one. Okay, so I got my two end pieces here. So now I'm just gonna cut the top. Okay, so now I've got all my pieces cut to length. And now all I have to do is sand the rough edges and give these guys a coat of either stain or spray paint. And I think I'm going to go with spray paint because it'll dry quick. Okay, so I've got 120 grit sandpaper, and what I'm doing is I'm just sanding down the rough edges and getting this ready. Give this a little bit of a wipe. And what I'm doing is I'm just, like I said, I'm just getting rid of rough edges and so forth, and then I'm going to spray paint them. This is actually fairly easy when you have a spray painter, like a spray paint can, or even if you even have a sprayer, like like I've seen Jamie Ray from Jamie's channel, that her husband uses a mechanical spray painter all the time. And I mean, I would love, I had one, but it was a cheapie, and it maybe lasted for, oh shoot, not very long, but there. So I've got those sides done. I just have to let that dry, do the other side, and then we should be complete. There. And if I need to do any touch-ups, I'll just touch up where it needs to be done and then put this all together. Okay, so now I've got all the pieces together. Well, actually painted, I should say. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to piece them together. So what I need to do is just do a little pilot hole with my drill to prevent anything from splitting, because I'm pretty close to the edge here. And I'm just going to take one of my small finishing nails. I've lined it up so it's nice and even. And then I'm just going to hammer the nail in. I don't want to go all the way through to the bottom piece here, because what I want is I want the nail to grip, because it's going to be going down straight through and you won't really see it. Okay, so I'm going to get the other one together and then get the whole frame together. These will give it a nice tight fit. Countersink the nails. So that it doesn't come apart. And see, you know, you don't have to know how to read a tape measure or whatever to make one of these. I mean, very simple. It's nothing elaborate. It's just a plain ordinary frame. And then what you do is you just place your picture into it. You just pop it in. I'll just give this another whack so it's nice and tight. Just fit this in there nice and snug, and you're good to go. See? Simple enough to make. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it's easy to do. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.